The excessive food price variability early warning system is a tool that identifies periods of unusual variations or fluctuations in commodity prices. We update the system on a daily basis to identify days that are within periods of high, moderate, or low price variation. How do we identify these periods of very large or unusual variations in commodity prices? The tool is based on a model developed by Carlos Martin Filo, Feng Yao, and Maximo Torrero that uses advanced statistical methods to model the behavior of commodity price returns, that is, the behavior of day-to-day variations in commodity prices. The model has two key features. First, the behavior of price returns or variations is assumed to depend on past returns and other important factors, where the mean and variance of these price returns can vary over time. Second, the functions that describe the behavior, the mean and variance of the price returns, are non-parametric or fully flexible. That is, the model allows the data to speak freely about the structure of these functions. So based on this model behavior of price returns and making some additional assumptions about the distribution of the returns, we can then approximate a particular threshold value or level of price variation such that the probability of exceeding this value is very low, for example, less than 5%. In particular, we use a conditional value at risk, which is a standard measure of market risk in financial economics, to derive the predicted threshold value, that is, the 95% conditional quantile. Lastly, we consider a period of 6 consecutive days that precede any given date and calculate the share of days that the observed price returns exceed the predicted threshold value in order to categorize a period of excessive, moderate, or low price variability. We follow a traffic light labeling such that, for example, if we observe that the number of days with high price variability only happens less than 2.5% of the time, or alternatively, the probability of observing days with high price variability is less than 2.5%, we consider that period of excessive price variability or a red period. If alternatively, we observe that the number of days with high price variability only happens less than 5% of the time, or alternatively, the probability of observing those days with high price variability is less than 5%, we consider that period of moderate price variability or an orange period. All other cases are considered periods of low price variability or green periods. We are currently monitoring the price behavior of 11 major agricultural and energy markets, specifically maize, hard and soft wheat, soybeans, rice, coffee, cacao, cotton, sugar, oil, and natural gas. We use future market prices closest to maturity, which allow us to estimate and update our tool on a daily basis. Looking forward, we're working on extending the tool along 2 dimensions. First, we're incorporating a second estimated threshold based on the conditional expected shortfall, which is another measure of market risk in financial economics. Compared to the conditional value at risk, the conditional expected shortfall allows for more flexibility in the assumed distribution of price returns, and also is a threshold more restrictive to pass. Second, we're also including major macroeconomic and financial factors when modeling the behavior of agricultural commodity prices. This will allow us to further improve the accuracy of the excessive price variability model and to formally identify the potential influence of other factors on the behavior of agricultural prices. Please stay tuned for more updates and features of our excessive food price variability early warning system on the Food Security Portal.